Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to guide you that how you can enable two-step verification method for your Google account using your phone number. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Gmail application on your device. Once you open the application, you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, you need to choose the account that you want to change the settings on. So in this case, I choose this one, and here you will find the option then manage your Google account. You need to tap on that one. You need to scroll to the right a bit where you will find the security option. Tap on security, scroll down, and where you will find you can add more sign-in options here, and you can enable two-step verification with a phone number. Here, as you can see, I added an authenticator application as well for the purpose of two-step verification. But if you want to add another layer of security and add a phone number is a two-step verification, so you need to tap here. Once you tap here, it will take a bit of time to load, and you need to verify yourself that it is you by entering your password, or you can use your fingerprints or use the pattern of your mobile lock screen. So in that way you will access to the next step. So once you access to the next step, they say you can add phone number to get sign-in codes and security alerts. So I will tap on add a phone number. It will bring me here. From here, you need to select the country of your residence, the country code, and from here you need to enter your phone number. So once you enter your phone number, the next thing you need to do is to tap on next. And from here, you can choose a voice call or a text message. So I will keep it to the text message, and then tap on next. So once you tap on next, it will send you a verification code on your phone number. All you need to do is to copy it and then enter the code here. Once you paste the code, all you need to do is to tap on verify. So once you tap on verify, now as you can see, I have entered a phone number and I verified that one. Now the codes are sent by text messages to this phone number. So guys, this is how you can enable two-step verification using your phone number on your Google account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.